जात्रा सोमबार सिन्दुर जात्रा गर्दै मनाइन्छ। राति अबेरसम्म मनाइने सिन्दुर जात्रा 7 गाउँलेले जात्राकै मुख्य आकर्षण र सबैभन्दा बढी स्थानीय सरिक हुने दिन पनि हो। काठमाडौँमा लुती अजिमाको जात्रा भएको 15 दिनपछि सुरु हुन्छ 7 गाउँले जात्रा। सातै गाउँमा आफ्नै परम्परा अनुसार यो जात्रा मनाइँदै आइएको छ। जात्रा सुरु भएपछि देवी घरमा राखिएका विभिन्न देवी देवताको मूर्तिलाई बाहिर निकाली खटमा प्रतिस्थापन गरिन्छ। खटमा प्रतिस्थापन गराएको 3 दिनपछि जात्राकै रौनकको रूपमा रहेको सिन्दुर जात्रा सुरु हुन्छ। देवी देवताका मूर्ति राखिएका खट बोकेर स्थानीयले नगर परिक्रमा गर्ने प्रचलन पनि रहेको छ। खटलाई नगर परिक्रमा गराएकै समय जात्रामा सहभागी भएका स्थानीयले सिन्दुर छर्काउँदै विभिन्न देवी देवताको पूजा तथा दर्शन समेत गर्ने गर्दछन्। 7 गाउँले जात्रामा इन्द्रायणी, गणेश, भैरव, विष्णुदेवी लगायतका देवी देवताको पूजा तथा खट जात्रा र पूजाआजा गर्ने गरिन्छ। गाउँले जात्रामा इन्द्रायणी, गणेश, भैरव, विष्णुदेवी लगायतका देवी देवताको पूजा तथा खट जात्रा र पूजाआजा गर्ने गरिन्छ।
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so this is one short movie clip and which is about Sat Gaule Jatra. Okay, any of you have you watched Sat Gaule Jatra? Raise your hand. Sat Gaule Jatra. Raise your hand nicely. Okay, very good. Down. Down, please. Okay. That is in Vishnu Devi. Naika Vishnu Devi. Okay. Yes. Now, can you find out the place there? Which place is that? Yes. This is Vishnu Devi Mandir. Okay. Vishnu Devi Mandir. 7 Gaule Jatra. Yes. And today we are talking about Sat Gaule Jatra. Okay, now listen. About Sat Gaule Jatra, I want to tell you some story. Why people celebrate Sat Gaule Jatra and how they celebrate, what they do, what they eat, isn't it? Where do they go? So this thing we study here. So first of all, see. History of Sat Gaule Jatra. So can you read that? Bakhumada. Baku. And there you can see one image of pigeon. Yes? Isn't it? Pigeon. Okay. And in Newari language, Baku means pigeon. What? Baku means pigeon, and in our language that Vishnu Devi area is called Baku. Still we call Baku. Isn't it? So this Jatra is also known as Bakhumada Jatra. Now let me tell you. अब म के भन्छु किन जात्रा मनाएको रहेछ? Look here, what people are doing there? Awan, yes. This is a story about about 500-600 years back. And that 500-600 years back. In those times, Nepal was ruled over by Malla kings. You know, Malla kings. And at that time, one place of Kathmandu near Swayambhu, there is one place called maybe you can remember Swayambhu area, and at that time people were doing some big yajna, isn't it? In those days, kings and people they used to organize yajna to be powerful, isn't it? And same like that, there was one king called Ratnamalla, who? Yes, he was organizing big yajna. And in that yajna, you know what happens? In that yajna, in that oven, not only rice, not only wheat, different kind of animals, different kind of birds were sacrificed. भनेको विभिन्न जनावरहरूलाई चाहिँ त्यहाँ होममा हाल्थ्यो कि बलि दिन्थ्यो. So snakes, birds, animals, all of them were being sacrificed in that big oven. And sacrifice हुँदै थियो. At the same time, there was turn of one pigeon. I show you one image of pigeon. Yes, pigeon, and the pigeon was ready for havan. The pigeon was ready for sacrifice. And when they tried to sacrifice pigeon, what happened? Pigeon flew away from that oven. Pigeon, what happened? Flew away from the oven and disappeared. Where are you? And all the kings and all the people, oh, where the pigeon, now what to do? Our oven is stopped. अब के गर्ने होला oven त भएन. जब the pigeon कहाँ गएछ, let's go and find out. And what happened? That pigeon flew away from this place and placed in this area. This is the old picture of Vishnu Devi. Have you gone to Vishnu Devi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, त्यो हजुर अलिक सानो छ. पहिले यस्तो थियो. आजभन्दा 100 years back, let's say, it was like this, no roof, nothing. And we found one photograph, and this place, that lost pigeon came to this place like this way, and here. Okay? And when this pigeon came to this area, and the people of this area became so happy, and bhagyamani bhन्छ नि, and they started to become, rich and happy, and that's why remembering this pigeon, they celebrated Jatra. Okay? And this Jatra is known as, especially this Jatra was known as Bakumara Jatra. Baku means pigeon, Mara means disappeared, harayo. Khoi Baku harayo, parewa harayo. So in the name of that pigeon, this name of this Jatra is Bakumara. Baku means pigeon, and especially 7 villages. Especially 7 villages, people of 7 villages take part in this Jatra. 7 गाउँको मान्छेले चाहिँ यो जात्रामा take part गर्थ्यो. That is why this Jatra is known as Satgaule Jatra. Means Jatra celebrated by people of 7 villages. Of which villages? Look here. Here I will show you some villages. So these are some pictures of Jatra, and here we can see villages involved in Satgaule Jatra: Kirtipur, Panga. Yes, this is Satungal, and this is Bosigaon, Naika Pinthana, and this is Matsegao, and this is Lungka. Lungkot means nowadays when you go Pautari Chowk and Matastirtha, what we call, yes, that area is called Lungkot. So these 7 villages, people of these 7 villages take part in this Jatra. That is why it is called Satgaule Jatra. Previously it was called Bakumara Jatra. Pigeon disappeared Jatra. Okay. Some clips also. Yeah. Now, then after, let me tell you something. Different chariots, Rath. Chariots means Rath. People of different villages, they bring here. For example, this first one, that is the Rath of Matsegao, and second one Lungkot, third one Kirtipur, and the next one is Panga. And here you can see the down one is Bosigaon, and Satungal and Matsegao. In this way, wrath of 7 villages, they come to here. Now one interesting story. Wrath, about wrath. के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि some of them are sisters, some of them are brothers. कोही महालक्ष्मी, कोही विष्णुदेव त्यस्तै थियो. And this Tinthana area, this is suppose Maiti घर. So your mother goes to Maiti घर, isn't it? Your mother goes to Maiti घर and they thought, आज कस्तो लुगा लगाएर जाने? आज यस्तो लुगा लगाएर जाने रातो है? ल यो छर्केतिर पनि लगाउने. ल है सँगै जाने. Isn't it? Same like that they were discussing. Okay, today let's go to Maiti घर. And the sister of Satungal, Matsegao, they were discussing, and the brothers of Bosigao and Lumpur, they were also talking. Okay. Then after what happened? Then after, daughter of Satungal, Kanchi Chori. Daughter of Satungal means Kanchi Chori, and she decided, म सबैभन्दा पहिला जाने हो अनि सबैभन्दा पहिला गएर आमाको घरमा सुटुक्क बस्ने हो अनि मिठो मिठो खाएर बस्ने हो. She thought that, and daughter of that Satungal, queen, let's say queen of Satungal Devi, she came first in Vishnu Devi. First. त्यसैले अहिले जात्रामा चाहिँ त्यो सतुङ्गलको रथ पहिला आउँछ है. सतुङ्गलको रथ पहिला आउँछ. Which chariot comes first? अनि पहिला आउँछ अनि त्यहाँ आमाको काखमा बस्छ त्यो भित्र जुन त्यो मन्दिरको भित्र बस्छ. And this information goes to Matsegao and Maikap and everywhere, and all they became angry also. Oh my God, we talked to go together, but she cheated us. उसले हामीलाई ढाँट्यो. Liar, she is liar. अब उसँग नबोल्ने हामी है, उसलाई हेर्न पनि नहेर्ने नबोल्ने. Thinking that they came hurriedly, and the sister of Matsegao, she was just doing makeup. पुरा गीत गाउँदै कपाल कोर्दै यता टिका लगाउँदै यस्तो लगाउँदै बसिरहेको थियो. ल बहिनी त्यहाँ गयो भनेपछि सब त्यो हतार्छ. कपाल आदि कोरेको हैन, मेकअप पनि आदि गरेको, एउटा गाजलमा आँखामा गाजल छ, अर्कोमा गाजल लाउने बाँकी थियो. हतारले आएछ. That's why wrath of Matsegao so decorated, and some mirrors we can see. त्यो भने चाहिँ त्यो ऐना चाहिँ हेर्दा हेर्दै भागेर आएको सिधै पाटोबाट आउँदैन, फाट्दै फाट सोझो दौड्छ के त्यो. And she comes there, अनि त्यो उसलाई हेर्दैन. यस्तो हामी चाहिँ कसो गर्छौँ, यसो हेर्छौँ, यसो बस्छ हैन. Same like that, chariots of wrath of Matsegao is placed outside and placing backside. त्यो सतुङ्गलको मन्दिरलाई चाहिँ मूर्तिलाई पुरा पिछु फर्केर बस्छ कि. अनि बोसगाउँमा आउँछ उपरि सानो पिछु फर्केर बस्छ. उसँग कोही बोल्दैन. And you go to Vishnu, all chariots they dance together. उसले चाहिँ सतुङ्गललाई बोल्दैन. उसलाई छोडेर all they go back. And Satungal's chariots goes at last. No one talks. त्यस्तो किसिमको स्टोरी छ कि त्यो चाहिँ ढाँट्या भएर उनीसँग कोही पनि नबोलेर आफू नाचेर रमाइलो गरेर खाएर जान्छ, उसलाई छोडेर जान्छ कि. अनि त्यही भएर अहिले पनि सुरुमा चाहिँ कुन रथ आउँछ अनि लास्टमा ढिला पनि त्यही फर्काउँछ. दिस इज द one interesting story